Next, honorable guest and speaker, Professor Moni Mohan Mondol, Principal, Tala Government College, Tala, Satkira, Bangladesh. Professor Mondol is not only professor and principal, he is also BCS officer, Ministry of Education, Bangladesh government. He have more than 25 years of teaching experiences. He has more than 30 publications in national and international reputed journals, editing books, and regularly attends the many national and international seminars and conferences to present his ideas and works. He is ardently fascinated in various fields of social science research and exchange of ideas. Now I request Professor Mondal kindly deliver your valuable talk.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good
Yes.
afternoon, respected President of this webinar, Principal Madam, honorable speakers and participants of this webinar. Education is a gradual process which brings positive changes in our human life and behavior. Straightforwardly, we can say education is the passage to progress. But now the pandemic situation of the world and also for Bangladesh and India, there are some remarkable barriers for the all sectors of our countries, especially for the education sector and also for primary education sector. We have a national education policy, but in this pandemic situation, we have to face many problems. So we cannot we cannot make our students to make realize sense of justice. We have some ideologies in our education policy, that is dutifulness, non-communalism, awareness of human rights, cultivation of free thinking and discipline, honest living, and tolerance of corporate life. Our policy is for the students creativity, morality, technical and vocational education, equity regarding genders, religion and ethnically, ICT and math science education, some curriculum and syllabus for the all streams, awareness, creations in environment issues, education for especially children, street children, and extreme for poor children. There are three stages of education, that is formal, informal, and non-formal. At first, primary education, that is elementary education, it has pre-primary education 5 plus students, depends on mosque and temple. Primary education class 1 to class 5, the examination PEC. And secondary education, 3 stages, lower secondary, secondary and higher secondary. 6th to 8th, lower secondary, 3 years, JSC examination. Secondary 9 to 10, 2 years, SSC examination. And higher secondary 11, 12, 2 years, HSC examination. Arts, science, business studies, music, etc. Tertiary education, emphasis on research and translations books in Bengal, more scholarships for the poor, journals and magazines, digitalized library and laboratory facilities, refreshing training for the teachers, technical and vocational education, and the courses of honors, masters, MBBS, BSc engineering, graduation, technical and vocational, madrasa education, English medium education, and refugee education. But United States, United Nations Development Program has given us a MDGs. We have completed two main goals to achieve universal primary education. Primary education we have completed successfully, and to promote gender equality and empowerment of women. We have also succeeded. Now, in front of us, the goals, SDGs goals. SDGs goals, Sustainable Development Goals, are global goals. Sustainable Development Goals are blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future, to protect the planet and peace and progress. There are some important sector, that is quality education. The point SDGs goals quality education, and the quality education for primary level, secondary level, higher secondary level, and tertiary level also. Gender equality, creativity, criticality, morality, social commitment, employability, sound health. These 6 components are important all for quality education. But for pandemic situation, it is tremendously interrupted, especially in border areas, Satkhira districts in Bangladesh, and also 24 Pargona in West Bengal in India, and other districts. So we can tell that the major challenges of our elementary and secondary education, that is combating corruption in education sector, assurance of quality, removal of discrimination of all levels of education, assurance of parity, removing gender discrimination. There are the big challenges of our education system. Expansion of education is remote area is very much important, and there are some main problems in primary education, that is wastage and stagnation, part-time education, enrichment of the curriculum, improvement of qualities, teachers training, provision of school, accommodation or seats in a classroom, equipments and auxiliary services, parental education, exam centric study rather than child centric study. In the field of education, Bangladesh is in tremendous progress, because Bangladeshi independence of 1971 opened the door for the country to adopting development studies in all sectors of human life, including primary and secondary compulsory education. The country has undoubtedly made remarkable progress in the field of education over the last few decades by the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, with the ideology occupying the great architect of independence, the father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So we are progressing day by day. It is no doubt Significant improvement is access to all levels of education has occurred during last 15 years. The increase of the member of educational institutions, the increase of the number of educational institutions as well as the participation of girls in all levels of education are a great achievement. Education was conducted by education was indicates that our primary education systems has become more fruitful day by day. If we want to overcome the pandemic situation, we have to take some steps only for education sectors, especially in border areas, because there are many problems in this area, that is gambling, that is earning, illegal earning, etc. And now the time, the great problem that is corona virus has spreaded both the sides crossing the border. So if we want to make our education fruitful in spite of this pandemic situation, we have to take some online technique, the technique of ICT. If we want to grow our students better position, online classes technique with the help of the ICT is very important. There are many apps, that is Google Meet. We can use it classes, teaching, learning activities. App Zoom, we can discuss, we can make function, we can exchange our views, and we can manage class. Facebook Live, with Facebook Live, we can also broadcast our syllabus and our activities. Recorded video, 3 kinds of video: YouTube, Facebook, and Zoom with PowerPoint presentation. For the order of our government, Education Ministry, we also have applied YouTube class, Facebook class, and Zoom with PowerPoint presentation, not only in primary or secondary level, but also for tertiary level in our national university. StreamYard is another app with which we can discuss, we can use it as teaching learning process. Online class management, Google Classroom, Messenger group, and Facebook group. In the meantime, we are using Messenger group, Google Classroom, and Facebook group for the students, for the development of the students. And distance learning, television and radio. In our country, the program of distance learning in primary sector is broadcasting Amar Ghore, Amar School, a great program for our students, for our DG, for our ministry and government. It is very fruitful. So Google Form, we can take examination with MCQ examination and CQ exam with 2 devices, laptop, a smart mobile, etc. So there are many challenges we have said, but we can overcome these challenges. With this online class for the students, and if we can help them, we want to help them, we have to need some necessary logistic supports. Well trained manpower in ICT we need, laptop or a smartphone or other equipments, internet facilities, broadband connection. The students of remote area where there is no tower, no facilities. Profound motivation for the students, food for all students. These are the steps which we can take for the improvement of our students. There are some agendas to perform for the future. It requires to take climate action, to reduce unemployment, to strengthen gender equality, to eradicate poverty, to ensure quality education, to promote peaceful societies of the countries and of the world. So, I am serving in Satkhira in Government College Tala. I knew the real scenarios of the students in border area, Satkhira districts of Bangladesh and 24 Pargona districts, West Bengal, India. Now the time I want to say, stay home, be careful about coronavirus. Now the time I want to pause my discussion. Thanks all. Thanks to organizer. Thanks to spectators. More thanks who are visualize and this program. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Mondal, for your valuable talk.